my cutie pies. How are you all today? I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your holidays. My name is Mrs. Shweta Yadav and I am here to take your English class. Children, today we are going to learn E sound words. So are you all ready? Yes? So let's start. E says E. The sound of E is E. Our first word is bed. B-E-D, bed. Repeat after me, children. B-E-D, bed. The sound of this three-letter word is B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Next word is red. R-E-D, red. Repeat after me, children. R-E-D, red. The sound of this three-letter word is R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Our next three-letter word is B-E-G, beg. Repeat after me, children. B-E-G, beg. The sound of this three-letter word is B-E-G, beg. B-E-G, beg. Our next three-letter word is L-E-G, leg. Repeat after me, children. L-E-G, leg. The sound of this three-letter word is L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Our next three-letter word is T-E-N, ten. Repeat after me, children. T-E-N, ten. The sound of this three-letter word is T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. Our next three-letter word is D-E-N, den. Repeat after me, children. D-E-N, den. The sound of this three-letter word is D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. Our next three-letter word is P-E-N, pen. Repeat after me, children. P-E-N, pen. The sound of this three-letter word is P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Children, now you will learn and write these words in your number 1 notebook, that is your English notebook. So that's all for today. In the next class, we are going to learn some more E sound words. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.